Welcome back to an episode of Oats Meals. I'm going to teach you how to make a Labneh pizza. This Mediterranean dish will have you coming back for more. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's very fast and easy to make, and let's get right to it. Alright, here's everything you're going to need in order to make this Labneh pizza. This Mediterranean dish is something I like to make in the mornings. It's super fresh, it's healthy, and I guarantee you it's so easy to do, it takes no time, that you're going to keep coming back to this recipe. So the first thing you want is you want some sort of thick pita bread, something that's, decently thick. These are the pocket-sized ones, but we don't basically turn them into pockets. We just use them as if it was a, flat bread. Your mint, a tomato, Zaatar spice, Labneh, which is yogurt, and olives. That's it. So let me show you guys how we do it. Step one, by the way, is when you would want to preheat the oven right now to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Just enough to warm everything up, but you're not really cooking it, it's just to warm it up. Alright, now that my oven is preheating, I'm on to step number 2 after I've prepped my ingredients, which is really just chopping up your tomato. That's pretty much it. You go on to step number 2. So what you're going to do is you're going to put a base of Labneh on your pita bread. Whatever amount that you want, whatever, works best for you. Some people like it thin, some people like it thick. I'll put a little bit more here. I kind of like to put it a bit on the thicker side, but that's just so my ingredients stick. That's the only reason I do that. Alright, so once that's done, just like a pizza now, we're gonna start topping this bad boy. So I like to, sprinkle a couple olives. Now if you don't, you can use black olives too. If you don't like olives, you can skip the olives. I mean, it does work with pretty much any vegetables. We're going to put some tomatoes on there. And then the Zaatar spice is what I'm going to put in the end. This is what you guys saw me. For those of you guys that follow me over on Instagram, which is Captain Oats TV, you guys saw me make this there. And I told you guys I would make a Oats Meals out of this. So a lot of you guys said it looked delicious and you want to try it. It's a very, like I said, Mediterranean kind of breakfast. You can have it any time of the day, really. There's the Zaatar. I'm not actually going to put as much as you're seeing on the spoon here. I'm just going to sprinkle it. Just like that. And that's it. That's it. You can make a couple of these at the same time. Throw them in the oven for about 10 minutes. Because again, all we want to do is heat it up. We're not looking to cook these things. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Let's throw them in the oven and I'll meet you guys in a couple minutes. Alright, so now for the last part, we just add some fresh mint right on top of our Labneh pizza here. Just to give it that freshness, that Mediterranean taste. I guarantee you this will probably be one of the best, most delicious, fresh things that you could eat in the morning. Goes well with coffee. And that's it. That's literally all it is to it. You can also, I know I said 10 minutes in the oven, that makes it crispier, by the way. If you like it on the softer side, I would recommend 5 minutes. And again, super easy to make. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys make it. If you do, let me know what you guys think of this Labneh pizza. Let me know. Put it in the comments down below. And yeah, enjoy. Bon appetit. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Oats Meals. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Leave comments down below of other recipes you'd like to see. If you've tried it, put it in the comments down below as well. I'd like to hear your thoughts on this easy to make dish. And until next time, I will catch all you amazing humans on the next one.